Well, my latest acquisition, it's a 10-inch Logan lathe. I think it's a model 200, but it could be an 850. It's a little vague. The documentation I found said it's probably a 200, but I think from the year it was built, from what I can understand, it's a 1942 from the serial number. It's good shape now, but when I got it, it was a little rough. It had been out in the rain a little bit, and it was badly worn in spots. The apron here was very badly worn. I bored out the casting and pressed in a bushing for the hand wheel here because it was flopping up and down. Now you can see it's quite solid. New bushing. There's a gear in there. It required a new bushing for the bevel gear assembly that mates with the feed screw. I think there's about 3 bushings in there I had to replace. I had to replace that shaft. It was all mauled up, galled, and I don't know, jury rigged. It was in terrible shape. And of course I had to replace the bushings that are on these. There's 2 per side. I had to shorten them up a little bit to allow for the oil opening there, or the oil pathway. But that turned out quite nice. It was packed full of brass on the lead screw and all the gears on the inside, but surprisingly nothing was broken. It's not a quick change gearbox. It's a change gear for the threads, and I don't have any of the other gears right now. So that's the Logan.